Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so this video I'm basically going to show you guys how to use the Raid Fogger if you have any roaches in your car. From whatever matter it is, you have roaches in your car. If you eat in your car and you just end up getting roaches, you park by a dumpster or something, you end up getting roaches. This right here is the truth. This is where you go to. You either get this at Walmart, you can order it online, or go to Family Dollar. This is the 4-can one. So let's cut this open, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys. You feel me? This always works for me, so I know it's gonna work for you. You know, I drive for Lyft. I have people coming in and out of my car, especially people with car seats, booster seats. You feel me? And sometimes those booster seats be infested with roaches. Depends on where they live or how they keep their place. I'm sorry to say, but it's the truth. Because 2 weeks ago, I always keep up with my vehicle. Clean, nice and clean. You feel me? Vacuum and everything. Always smell good. And just last night, I came into my car. You know, when I walk close to the vehicle, my light turned on because it is this is just the car. It's I have that this is Toyota Avalon for the people who don't know. Keyless entry. So when I have the key fob in my pocket and I walk close up to the car, the light will turn on. So when it turned on, I saw a roach on my seat. I was like, no way. And you know, I do not want to pick up a customer. I do not want to pick up a customer and then they end up seeing especially a female, oh my goodness. Especially a female. With a male, I could get probably a pass with that. It do have some a-hole, yes, but with a female, you don't want that, especially if she's pretty. Oh my, oh nah. So this is basically how you use it. You take this part off. You know, this part right down here. You take it off because what I'm going to do, I'm going to press it down. And when I press it down, it's going to stay down and it's going to spray all of it out of it. But I'm going to use all four. So, yeah. I'm going to use all four. So I'm going to basically do the same thing to all four of them. Break this piece off. I'm trying to do it with my... I'm trying to get it on camera properly. I don't want to press it down before it's time. Just want to show you guys how you use it. Easy to use, easy. But it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. So, alright, so this one is basically going to repeat the same thing. You take this part off, you break it off. Yeah, just break it off. Don't press it down yet until you really want to, where you want to place it, you know. Don't push that button down. Alright. Yep, there it is. Alright, that's the second one. This is the third one. There's 4 of them come in the box. And this is the 4th one. Alright, what I'm going to do now, since I got it off, I'm basically going to place one right here. Place one right down here as well. I should have turned my light on. Can I do it while I record? It's not giving me the option to turn my lights on. Man, that sucks. Oh, okay. Alright, it does. So I have one down there. Put one down here. One down here. Or I could lay it down because no matter what, the mist is gonna, you know. Alright, these are the 2. Put these on the 2 and the back. And I close my vents in case it want to escape into the vents. No, that's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, Rochi. You can't live in my car for free. This is not no rent-free. This is not a rent-free state of Night Random. Can't you? I'm sorry, Rochi. You can't stay in my luxury. Sorry about that. Let me get this cleared up. You can't stay in this luxury hotel for free. You have to pay me. And since you don't have no money, I'm sorry, Rochi. It just can't work. So what I'm gonna do now, this is the hard part. Oh, I got a bottle of water. Let me take this out. Alright. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna press it down. So let's get it. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna press it down. So I have to be like, I'm gonna leave these vents open in case they want to escape. There's no escape because the scent is gonna go down into the vent and kill whatever. If a mosquito, any kind of other bug or fly, whatever, they're gonna die because the mist is gonna be strong. And this poison is strong. Make sure all my windows is up. Sorry about that annoying noise by the front windows up. This up. Sunroof is closed, and I'm gonna leave it just like so. And I gotta be quick, so here goes. Let me try to move as fast as I can. And also, you might have to hold your breath. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Close the door, lock it. And there you have it, guys. Stay out of the vehicle. I don't know if you guys can see the mist, see the fog. Yeah, sorry, Rochi. You can't stay in the vehicle. You can't stay in my luxury vehicle for free. I'm sorry. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow when I wake up, because I'm not gonna go back into my vehicle in the next 8 hours or so. What time is it right now? Like 9 o'clock? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 6 o'clock. So that's close to like 9 hours. So any bug, any insect, roaches, everybody's gonna die. And as I said, you can't live rent-free. This is not a rent-free luxury car. You feel me? This is not a rent-free state. Mess with me like that, play with me like that, try to embarrass me. Oh no, that can't happen. Look at the mess. See what I'm talking about? See my light turned back on when I walk closer to the car because of the key fob. I love my car. Even if it's an old car, 2008, I love it. I love it. But you guys can see the mist, right? All doors closed, the door is locked. Nothing could escape. They could escape if they want to. If they want to go through the vents, they're still gonna die. You think they're gonna be strong enough to withstand that powerful fume, fog, of poison? That's like a nuclear bomb. Or the other one, atomic bomb that look like a mushroom. That's gonna kill everything in there. Everything is gonna be dead. Maybe about in, I don't know. How long you think they'll survive? Maybe about a good 5 minutes, maybe less, because that fume is strong. So they could run, but they can't hide. No matter what they do, they're gonna die. You feel me? The fume is just too strong. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna come down with a damp cloth with some disinfected. It could be like Pine Sol or Fabuloso, or even the laundry detergent, the Gain or the Tide. Just damp it, just wet it, to to come and wipe down my seats to wipe off that not bacteria, wipe off the poison. That's what I'll do. You don't have to do it. A lot of people don't do that because it wears off after like 4 hours. But me personally, I want to play it safe. I don't want to get poisoned by my own poison that I'm trying to kill an insect, a pest. So I'm basically gonna come down with a damp cloth with some pine Sol or whatever disinfectant you have, and I'm gonna spray some Clorox cleanup on it as well too, and damp the cloth even with whatever disinfectant that I have, and wipe down my seats, wipe down my steering wheel, wipe down the whole dashboard, because I want to be safe. You feel me? Wipe down my shifter, the instrument cluster, the odometer, all that. The whole dash I'm going to wipe down, and all my seats, front and back seat, everything is going to get wiped down. So yeah guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. See how easy that was to use the fogger. So trust me, this stuff works 100%. It works. I saw one. I don't want to end up being multiplied, so I take actions. I love to have my car clean, pest free, bug free. I don't play that. If I see one, even a small little one, oh no, I panic quick. I end up running to Family Dollar, run to any store that have it, and I will get it and I will use it. So guys, if you have any questions, does this stuff work? Yes, it does, 100%. See what they say up there, money back guarantee? They're not lying. This stuff works. Look at that. 1.5 ounce can treats up to 5,000. Oh, look at that. You see how much? And I put the whole thing in there. So that's 5, 10, 15, that's 20,000. Or the whole 4 treats up to 20,000. You feel me? So trust me. It said look at that. It said keeps killing roaches for up to 2 months. This is some good stuff. If it could keep killing roach up to 2 months, what about humans? This is why I wipe down my seats, disinfect my seats, steering wheel, dashboard, and everything. But I'm gonna leave y'all right here. Hope you guys appreciate. I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys coming through. I hate when bird drop-ins be disrespecting me and everything. I'm gonna have to wash my car maybe tomorrow or so. How disrespectful is that? But yeah, keep your vehicle clean. I do my best not to eat in my car as well, but sometimes we don't have no choice. But yeah, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. But make sure you disinfect your vehicle, wipe it down, have a damp cloth, and wipe it down properly. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Man, I need a tape, I need a cut, boy. I need everything right now. I need my hair done, my face done. I need everything right now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and support. Please, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out of here. Peace.